What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out another gaming headset by FIFINE. This is the AmpliGame H3 headset. Now this is actually a really great entry-level gaming headset that has you covered on almost any platform that you play on, and it's super comfortable and functional. So with that said, let's check it out. Now, first things first, one of the features that I love about this gaming headset is the removable microphone. Now, I have played with a lot of gaming headsets, and a lot of them have the built-in microphone. They've got the boom on there or something like that where it has to flip down, or that it's just ever present, right? This one I love. I love detachable microphones, and in the days of content creators and streaming and YouTubing and stuff like that, people are getting dedicated microphones more and more. And so if that's you, if you have a dedicated microphone, you don't need to have the microphone plugged in directly, then you're good to go, especially if you're at PC. Now, let's say you jump over to mobile device or to a console, you don't have your microphone anymore, you can pop this guy back in anytime you need it. So realistically, this kind of functions as either a gaming headset with a microphone or just a pair of headphones. You can plug this into any device and you're good to go regardless. So the detachable microphone from FIFINE on this headset is really just a great feature that I think a lot of people overlook. And the quality of the microphone is also really solid. FIFINE themselves are specifically kind of got started, I think, as mostly a microphone company. So you would expect that the quality to be good, and it is. Next up, I want to talk about the comfort, because comfort when you're playing, especially with the gaming headset, is super, super important. And the AmpliGame H3 definitely delivers basically a lightweight material, an adjustable headband, ensuring that you get a nice snug fit. I will say the only thing that I would mention is that the ear cups on these were just a little bit smaller for me. I have a big head and I have big ears, and this thing didn't kind of cover them quite as well as I'd like. It is an over-the-ear headset. If you're not a big, gigantic guy like I am, you're probably gonna be just fine. I think this is gonna work great for the majority of people. That's the only complaint that I had with the ear cups themselves, just a little bit on the small side. But other than that, super comfortable. The headband was nice and adjustable. I have a big head and it fit me well just fine, and I didn't feel like my head was being squeezed by these. So again, super comfortable across the board. So they did a great job with the design there. Now, I will also mention that if you're into aesthetics, right, RGB is everywhere. And RGB is something that people are just all about. You kind of have stuff that you want to have that kind of look to it. These have built-in RGB lighting on the ear cups themselves, which I think is really slick. It gives them a really unique look, and I think you're going to really enjoy it. If you're into RGB, you're into that gaming look, that gaming vibe, these have got you covered there as well. And last but not least, the 3.5 millimeter audio jack lets you do a lot of different things. It gives you a lot of versatility, making this headset compatible with a range of devices like Xbox, PC, PS4, PS5, Switch. You can plug, if you have a 3.5 millimeter jack in your mobile device, you can plug it in, use it as a gaming headset on your phone, but then it also plugs into PC and works great there. So really, regardless of where you're trying to play your games, you have the functionality of going with the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack or with the USB, the USB plug into a PC, and you're good to go. So regardless of where you like to game or how you like to game, this headset also has you covered from that perspective as well. So guys, if you're looking for a great entry-level gaming headset that's going to cover you regardless of how you play, if you're somebody that loves to play on console, PC, mobile devices, this thing has got you covered. It's got RGB, all the features, it's comfortable, and it works really darn well. So if that's something you're looking for, definitely consider checking this out. But guys, as usual, I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next video.